A lot of people are doing this and they are making money. For example, if you come here on YouTube and type in the word of prayer, you will see a lot of channels that are creating prayers to help people to pray in the morning, to pray before they sleep. For example, this YouTube channel, which is Grace for Purpose Prayers, it has 2 million subscribers. As you can see, this is another channel which is called Grace Oasis. This video was uploaded 20 hours ago and see it has got over 50K views. And as you can see, this is also another prayer channel. There are so many of them. Yes, so I'm going to show you how you can create these videos. You can create them either for night prayers, people who want to pray at night. Yes, for example, this one is a night prayer. Yes, or you can do both. You can create the morning prayer and create also the night prayer. It depends on you. If you want to grow faster, you can go ahead and be creating a prayer for the morning and a prayer for the night. Yes, and it's all about being consistent. As you can see, this one is creating short prayers, and these short prayers are 2 minutes. But see, this prayer was created 1 year ago and it has reached 1 million views. So it's going to depend on you. Yes. So let me show you how you are going to do this. It's simple and easy. Yes, you can see this one is 3 minutes prayer, but it was uploaded yesterday. It's having 4.5 views. So that's what we are going to do in this video. Yes, and if you don't know how you're going to do this, you are supposed to have a YouTube channel where you are going to be posting these prayer videos. Yes, so I will leave in the link section in the in the description below a video that will show you how to open up a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to open up a YouTube channel, or if you already have a YouTube channel but it's dormant, you are not posting there anything, you can go ahead and jump on this side hustle and start using it to make money. And you can also create in short formats. For example, these people, they are creating night prayers in shorts, so you can go ahead and do that. You create them in the short way and also repost them on other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok. Yes, so you can also do that. Or if you want to grow faster, you can go ahead and be doing long form videos and also short form videos. But if you're wondering, can these types of videos be monetized? For example, if I come and click on this Grace for Purpose prayer, yes, so this is their channel. I've clicked on one of them, and what we are going to do, we are going to see if this channel is monetized. And another way, I'm going to give you another trick up to the end if you stick and learn this with me. Yes, and if you see what I'm teaching you is providing value, just comment great in the
Unleash your
comment
creativity
section
with
below.
Creative Fabrica, go-to place for all of your print demand needs. Not sure where to begin? Creative Fabrica.
So as you can see, ads are playing. That's one way to show you that this channel is monetized. But if you want to know and you are not sure, maybe just YouTube put those random ads, yes, and they are not monetized, we'll go ahead and copy the URL to this video and go and check it in this AI that helps you to check whether a channel is monetized or not. So we'll come here on this website, which is called YT Large, and we are going to paste in the video. We are going to paste in the video for that channel. Yes, for the link that we have copied, and I'm going to enter in this number here which they have given me up so that I can go ahead and check. Yes, so I'll click here on enter and they are going to show me if this is monetized or not. You forgive me, this website is having a lot of ads because that's how they also make their money. This is free. If you want to check any channel to see if it's monetized, you come to this website which is called YT Large. Yes, so as you can see, this is monetized. So this goes to show you this is not the only video which is monetized on this channel, but the whole channel is monetized. Yes, so You can also go ahead, if you want to check other channels, go ahead, copy the link to that video, come paste it here, or you copy the link to the whole channel, you can paste in here, and you'll see if that channel is monetized or not. Yes, so as we have seen that the channel is monetized, so we are going to come here and see. So there are two ways to making these videos. You can either come here and copy the link and use the link for that. You copy the link to this video and paste it in the AI that we are going to use, so it will generate a video for you. And don't worry, it will not have any copyright claims because it would generate a different version of the video. But what I do sometimes, I myself, because I'm trying this side hustle also, yes. So what I do, because I want to get something fresh, you can also use this as an option. You can either come here and copy you click on show transcript, then YouTube is going to show you the transcript here in the other side, and you can go ahead and copy that and take it to AI like ChatGPT. They write it for you and you come up with your own original script, but using this. But you can also use this other method where you come and copy the title of the video, you copy it. Then after copying it, you come to ChatGPT and paste in that title. If you don't know what ChatGPT is an AI that can help you to write blogs, to come up with video scripts, yes, and other many things, to write ebooks. So you can go ahead, use that. Or if you have any other AI that you are familiar with and you want to use, you can go ahead and use that one. So after pasting this in ChatGPT, so I'm going to ask it to rewrite it. You can either leave it like this and click on this arrow, ChatGPT will start writing. But what I always do, I tell ChatGPT to write me a video script, and I tell it how many minutes I want. Yes, and I also go ahead to ask ChatGPT to include in verses that are related to the title that I have given it. So I'll ask it, write, write. I'll tell ChatGPT to write this for me. So you can go ahead and tweak it according to your own writing. I'll tell it to write adding verses. Yes. And you can explain why you want ChatGPT to write this. You tell it for YouTube video. Yes, so that you can be specific, because on AI, if you are not specific, it will write you what you don't want. So it's better you be specific, because AI, it's not a human being. Human beings are great and they are special. So you can't leave the whole workload on AI. So I'll click on this arrow and it will start writing for me. So as you can see, it's writing for me, and it will also give you suggestions how you are going to structure this video. It will show you, if it will even write for you the pictures that you are going to put in this video, even music. It will tell you, for example, here it has suggested for me to put in peaceful, uplifting instrumental. Yes, when I am beginning the video, and opening verse. So here it has written the opening verse and the prayer. So this what it has written for us. But if you want the video to be longer, you can be specific and tell it to write a 8 minutes video for you. So it's going to depend on you what you want and what you want to include. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to take it to the AI that I want to use. So I'll only copy starting from here where it says opening verse. Yes, because I don't want this one which says background music. Remember, I told you AI is not human. So if I don't delete this, AI will go ahead and also include this in the video. So I'll just copy this, or I'll just click here on copy. So I'll copy this and I'm going to come to this AI, which is called InVideo. So when you come to InVideo, you will have options here where it says create short. If you want to create it in the form of a short, it's up to you. If you want to create it in an explainer video, it's up to you. If you want to create animated film, that's up to you. That will be also a topic for another day. If you want to use script, you click on use script. So on use script, we are going to click on use script, and I'm going to paste in here the script that I have copied from Chat GPT. Yes, so I'll paste this. But there is also another tool that I use. This in video is for free, but when you are using it and you are not on paid version, they will put their logo in your video. But if you're on a paid version, they will not put their logo. And if you're on a free version, there are some things that are limited. But if you're on a budget and you are just starting out, there is a free tool which is called Champ, and it comes with laptops which have Windows 11 and I think Windows 11. So that's what I use sometimes. So you can go ahead and use that. Yes, you can go ahead and use that. Or you can use other tools like Canva, CapCut. But the good thing about this one that it is even going to generate the footage for you. But those other free ones that I have talked about, you have to go to other sites like Pixabay to pick up the footage that you want to use to download the footage to use in your video. So I think in video would be it would be a better option. But if you are starting out and you are on a budget, then you can start with the other. When you get some money, you can go ahead and come back and use in video. So this is how our script is going to look like. You clean up your script, you clean up the things that you don't want or you don't need that AI put for you. You read through it. So this is how the script looks like so far. And what we are going to do, yes, we are going to go ahead and ask this AI to generate the script for us, and it also including the footage. Yes, so I'll delete all this that I don't want. Yes, so after deleting all of this that I don't want, so I'll go ahead and click on continue. Yes, so when I click on continue, then I'll click here where it says generate video. Yes, so now it's generating the video for us, and we are going to wait for some few moments. Then our video will be ready, and what you'll be left with to download it, go upload it on your YouTube platform. Yes, and if you don't know how to open a YouTube, it's easy. I'll leave a link in the description below that is going to teach you how to open a YouTube channel. If this video is providing you value, just go ahead and comment great. Yes, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video so that you can help another person who also needs to make some money online, but they are stuck. They don't know where to start from. Yes, so this is how you can use the Bible to make money, because the Bible teaches us to be fruitful and multiply. Yes, so if the Bible teaches us to be fruitful and multiply, you can go according with that principle and make money. Yes, and here they are asking you your type of audience. Is it morning routine, prayer group, inspiration? But I'll just leave it like that. Then I'll click on continue. So as you can see, now the video is generating. Excuse me. The video is generating. So now our video is 12%, and before you know it, it will be generated and finished. So it has also given you the title for your prayer, but if you don't want, you can go ahead and change it. Yes, after you've downloaded your file from this in video. Yes. So when the video is downloading, when the video is processing, we'll wait for some time, but it doesn't take a lot of time. It will take few minutes. Yes. And another tip that I wanted to give you guys who have been with me up to the end, what you can also do, you can be using these videos to promote your other products. For example, you are targeting an audience which is about spirituality, and they like things about God. So you can go ahead, create planners, maybe a planner about prayer in apps like Canva. You'll be linking those products in the description below. Maybe you can be creating affirmation scriptures that can encourage these people. You'll be putting them in the comment in the description below. And what you can do when you're asking the chat GPT to write the script for you, you can ask it to put that at the end of the video script, where you are asking your viewers, those ones maybe who want to get a planner, those ones who want to get encouraging verses, to check the description below so that they can go ahead and buy these products. They can buy them on Amazon, or you can also add merch and you'll be creating t-shirts and that. I've also done videos about that where I show you how you can create those things of print on demand. So that's another way that you can be making money from this prayer channel using the Bible. When people come, they pray, they use your videos to pray. They can also go ahead to buy these things that will help them to grow spiritually. Or you can go ahead, search for Bibles from websites like Amazon, and be pinning them in the comment section below, in the description below, so that people can also jump on that and buy. People who want to go deeper, who want to get Bibles like that. So that's also another way that you can leverage this and make more money. Because I always tell you on this YouTube channel, if you want to make money and grow bigger, you're supposed to have multiple streams of income. There's no way you're going to get money if you don't have multiple streams of income. So if you are having this YouTube channel, you can leverage it and be creating those planners, yes, like that. So this is our video and this is how it looks like. Then we are going to go ahead and play it so that we can see what this has come up with.
I remain confident of this. I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Psalm 27:13. Heavenly Father, I come before you this morning with a heart full of gratitude. Thank you for the gift of life, for your mercy that is new every morning, and for the promise that I will see your goodness today. Lord, as I step into this day, I declare your word in Psalm 118:24. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Fill my heart with joy, strengthen my spirit, and lead my steps in the path of righteousness. Father, I trust in your promises, for your word says in Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord."
So you can go ahead and add in the auto caption, yes. And you can also go ahead and change the music if you don't really like the music, and put in your own music. Then when you have your videos come up, remember I told you, if you are on a free plan, they'll put for you stock images that have words. But if you upgrade, then you can remove the watermark and they will also remove all these stock images. So what you do after you have finished this, will just go ahead and click on download. And as you can see here, they're saying stock watermark. If you don't want it, then you are supposed to upgrade. If you want to download it on a normal way, then you can do that on a free version. Yes, so since we are on a free version, we are going to use this one and this one. Yes, so when you get money in the future, you can go ahead and upgrade. And I've told you there are also free options that you can use. Then you click here on continue, and this video is going to be downloaded to your PC or to your computer, so that anytime you are done downloading it, just go ahead to YouTube, upload this video, create a thumbnail that is good, and it will encourage people to watch your video. And make sure that when you are creating, you create up to 3 minutes, yes, so that your video can be a little longer and you can get that watch hour quickly. Yes, so don't create something which is maybe 1 minute, that will be short for people. So when your video is done, it will be on your PC, it will be downloaded there. Then what you do, you go through that process that I have shown you, upload it on YouTube. So see you in the next video. If this video has given you value, don't forget to like, to comment, share, and subscribe.